of the systems that we created here was born out of a frustration, and we were having a hard time. We were just jockeying the same packages around, or on the cart, off the cart, on the cart, off the cart, and obviously issues can happen there. So what we decided to do is to get some color-coded carts, and when a package is picked, so when the warehouse staff might receive an order, they'll come out and they'll pick their package, and they'll put it on the blue cart. They'll fill out their paperwork. It'll go back up to the office. The office will then confirm everything's right, execute all the shipping documents, and then they get sent back here, at which point our shipping clerk will label up the box, put it on here, and it's on green. Green means go. So there's no confusion about what products are shipping, there's no labeling issues. This is a very simple way that we're able to keep our customer service